Hulas na ako.
Ano masasabi mo sa room natin?
Ang title ng vlog na yun ay Kaka-Garden. Bilisan mo!
Wait lang naman! Guys, it's been a while. Yan, magbo-vlog ako today. We're going to Mabini, Batangas. Outing namin.
Ay, nakalib pala si
Yan,
Mare.
nakalib ako for this. Ayan. Gusto mag-photoshoot bago mag-outing. O, diba? May dumayo pang taga Valenzuela. We're going na. Hi. Ay, sa kami. Ito yung driver natin. Doon sila sa likod. There they are.
Dahan-dahan lang. Pwede ko ba isara yung bintana nila?
Oo, kakalala naman natin.
Labas kasi yun eh. Parang ayaw nila magbigayan.
Oo. Ating din, grabe. I think we traveled for 2.5 hours. Yan. You can pitch a tent. Maganda yung room ni Napatit. Ayun, no? Tipi house. Yan. Ayan. There are other rooms right there. Common area. And then, ito na yung beach area. So, this is a beachfront accommodation. Ayan.
Hulas na ako.
Ano masasabi mo sa room natin?
Gutom na po ako.
Wala kaming banyo. As in, ganyan lang siya. It's 1,000 per night. Yeah.
Wala ako sa vlog na yun. Ang title ng vlog na yun ay Kaka-Garden.
From roommates to inmates.
Hintayin mo, magkakaroon na ng patin talaga yun.
Frate ngayon.
Hello.
Bakla pa tayo naman. Wala naman tayo.
Hindi mo lang nakikita yung sarili mo. Ano ka ba? Ayan, oh.
Hi guys.
Hey, guys. Good morning, everyone. Yeah. Ang init. It's just 8:43 a.m. and I decided to go for a swim. A quick swim. Kasi ang ganda naman ng beach. So, it's a little bit rocky, so I have my diving socks on. Actually, I have flippers eh. Nandun, nasa ano. Nasa room, kasi hindi naman daw pala kami mag-free dive. So, okay. The beach is rocky, so, ayan, nagsuot ako ng free diving socks. Kasi naiwan ko yung aqua shoes ko. I was actually looking for my friends, kasi hindi ko na kasi sila nagpunta. I don't know where they went for swimming. Ayan, I'm gonna take a quick dip before breakfast. Oh, our stay is over and we're checking out. So while waiting for others, let me just give you a little bit of a rundown on what happened. So we just stayed here for one night and we arrived yesterday. We're here at Isabela Mabel's Beach House in Mabini, Batangas. So it's a beachfront accommodation. So yan, pwede ka na mag-swimming agad-agad. Okay lang, very basic yung room. Meron namang AC and some rooms they have bathrooms inside. Pero yung sa amin nung friend ko, nasa labas yung toilet and bathroom namin. But that's okay. Yan, humble lang yung place. Mura lang siya. You can cook. There's free wifi as well. And merong ayan, yung mga may common area where you can dine. Meron din, nag-offer din sila ng simple meals like silog. So yan, if you just wanna quick getaway from the city, yan, okay dito sa resort na to. As long as hindi ka maselan. Especially sa rooms kasi nga medyo napaka-basic lang kasi niya. Overall, nag-enjoy pa rin naman ako kasi yung beach area is rocky. Yung shore niya mabato. But we even spotted a sea urchin. Very cute kasi kulay red siya. So you just need to be careful. Pero even dito ka lang sa mababaw, makakita ka ng mga fishes. Nakakatuwa. Ayun. Ayan siya.
Ito ba?
I think so, yan. Open mo. Oh, wow. Oh my God, it's so cute. Meron upstairs or sa taas siguro? Taas.